A charged spherical conductor has surface charge density 0.7 coulomb per meter square. When its charge is increased by 0.44 coulomb, its surface charge density changes by 0.14 coulomb per meter square. Calculate the radius of the sphere and the charge present on it initially. So here we are taking a surface spherical conductor with surface charge density 0.7. The charge on the spherical conductor is increased and its surface charge density changes, whether it is increasing change or a decreasing change. Whenever the charge increases, surface charge density must increase because sigma is directly proportional to q. So surface charge density increases by 0.14. Calculate the radius of the sphere and the charge present on it initially. So let us take the standard equation. Sigma is equal to q by 4 pi r square. This is given as 0.7, equation 1. Now second case, when the charge is increased by 0.44 coulomb, now the total charge becomes q plus 0.44. We are not touching the radius. Its surface charge density changes, but already we consider the change is increasing change. Since charge increases, surface charge density must increase. So this is equal to 0.84. Now this is the sigma value. So take the ratio between 1 and 2 equations. 1 divided by 2 implies, first equation q is remaining because 4 pi r square gets cancelled. Q plus 0.44. This is equal to 0.7 by 0.84. I can write as 70 by 84. Multiply the numerator and denominator with 100. So 7 tenths, 7 twelfths. That means this is equal to 10 by 12. Cross multiplication, or 5 by 6 we can take. Cross multiplication, 12q is equal to 10q plus 4.4 because 10 multiplication. So 12q minus 10q, 2q is equal to 4.4, or q is equal to 2.2 coulombs. The initial charge on the sphere is 2.2 coulombs. So when the charge on the first sphere is increased by some value, surface charge density also increases. So taking the ratio of the two equations, it is possible to calculate q. Now substitute this q value into equation 1. First equation, so it is q by 4 pi r square is equal to 0.7. Now substitution, 4 pi r square is equal to q by 0.7. q is 2.2. So multiply denominator and numerator with the 10. I can write as 22 by 7. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 22 by 7. So on both sides it is possible to cancel 22 by 7. Then r square is equal to 1 by 4, or r is equal to half, or 0.5 meter. This is the radius of the sphere, and the charge on the sphere is 2.2 and radius is 0.5.